Hey, another day here in the Smoky Mountains. We're down here at Patriot Park at the old mill. We're gonna feed the ducks. A lot of them. They know what's coming. So let's get some food and try not to get attacked by these birds. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh boy, oh boy. You see that? He almost got me. It's time for the 3 o'clock feeding. Every bird in the Smoky Mountains just landed out here. Alright, watch what's going to happen, Aiden. Aiden, we're going to watch you from up here. You start feeding. Don't come back to me. The birds are down there. Look at them.
I am not your mama. Don't follow me.
Go for it, Aiden.
No. Oh, God.
That one over there got his own food.
You're following me.
Well, they think you have food.
No.
Mama's chasing the birds. Ray Ray. Talk about an adventure. Here, I'll do it. I'll do it.
You're still following. I don't have food. How about we go down there?
Well, if you go down there, they're just gonna follow you down there.
Said who? Go down there, Aiden. They'll probably still follow you.
Go down there and see what happens. Go get them, guys.
This is crazy.
We're gonna go down here. They're just gonna follow us. Hayden, they're all coming.
Are they? Hey, Maggie, look! I see them. You want food? Ducky. Watch the pigeons.
They'll land on your head.
Oh, God. Make a lot of noise, Aiden.
I said don't poop on you.
You're like, God, Daddy, get him away.
Here comes the duck family. Let's do an Adam the Woo moment. Hitchcock would be proud. Ray Ray.
Look at all the birds.
Ray Ray, what's the bird say?
Oh, look at the family of ducks. I don't think this is okay.
Jeff, right behind you.
Jeffrey, this is terrible.
Strategically, I'm going to sneak up here to the bird feeder. Aiden's going to scare the birds away. And I'm going to run. And we're going to see what's going to happen, alright? Here we go.
Aiden's gonna scare the birds.
Oh.
I'm gonna come up here and get the food, okay?
Go on, get.
Alright, so here, we're gonna put our money in here.
Oh, God.
Oh, I think I lost all the food. Oops, it all fell. Sorry, our plan has failed. We might have to try it again. They're distracted right now. You can go and get the feed while they're over there. Aiden say Hitchcock would be proud. Alright, come over here.
Oh, God.
Put your hand up in the air.
No.
Here they come.
Hey, Ducky.
No, throw it to these guys. You're supposed to throw it to the birds.
I threw it to the duck. I'm feeding the duck. The duck feeds food. See, look how many ducks I attracted. Hello.
This might be the best fun we've had in the Smoky Mountains yet.
I'm Mr. Duck. How you doing?
All right, Jeffrey's gonna go and try to feed these things.
Uncle Jeff, behind you!
Birds are the wackiest things I've ever seen in my life. Get in the middle of them!
Oh, the bird.
Yeah, look at all the birdies, huh?
Okay, give me a quarter buck. Well, they're distracted with him. Give me a quarter. No, he has food. He has the food.
Let's see if they go follow him.
That way. Go that way.
As you can see, we had a lot of fun with the birds and the ducks down there at
There they
Patriot
go.
Park in Pigeon
They're all
Forge,
following
Tennessee.
them.
So until next time, we will see you again on Adventures of Ray Ray and Dad Dad.
I know,
Goodbye,
look at all the
everybody.
birdies.